Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Before I get started, I'm gonna quickly mention a couple things that might be important. So you can perform this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now, by doing so, I also want to warn you that your device will become most likely FRP locked. And what that means is when the reset is finished and you go into the setup process of it, you'll be forced to verify the previous user's either screen lock or Google account. And if you can't provide at least one of those, you won't be able to finish up the setup. Now, I am mentioning that specifically because I will be recording a video separately after this on a guide on how to bypass this and then completely remove it for people that might be interested in that. But anyway, to get started with this one, I'm gonna lock the device and I'm gonna start off from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. And first thing we're gonna do is turn off our device by holding the power button and selecting power off. When the device turns off, hold the power button and volume up at the same time. And the moment you see Infinix logo, let go of the power button right away. There we go. Next, when you see this, start holding power button, and while holding it, press volume up once, and this will redirect us to the recovery mode. And in here, using volume buttons, either up or down, you can navigate in order to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, and confirm it using your power button. Confirm the process by selecting Factory Data Reset. It will give you a message formatting data and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more to initiate a reboot, which will continue resetting the device in the background. Now, because it is continuing the resetting of it, it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up, so don't worry, that is completely normal. Now, once the reset is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. With that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.